Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. You guys are busy watching our content and you are not subscribing. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, guys. Last we were short with I think 5 subscribers to reach 1k, and we did, guys. So thank you very much for subscribing on our channel. I'm not alone, as you can see, guys. I'm with
Dinda, aka Tulidi.
Yebo, we're back, guys, with another video, with another update. Today actually we just wanna catch up on what's been happening, on your social medias, what's been happening around, guys. First thing first, I wanna ask you, what's your take on drip, as like a black owned footwear, going through crisis of liquidation and stuff. What's your take on that?
I think he made a lot of loans. He has to pay back. So I don't know why he was loaning the money for, or you are referring to.
No, like for like as like a black child, trying something new out there, and these things, all of us, we see it failing. So what's your take on that?
It means he didn't plan enough, or I don't know, he didn't plan enough. He didn't plan enough, so that's why it's falling apart. It's like sometimes when we are out of varsity, like as youngsters, when you're out of varsity, then you get an internship. Yeah, you start to make a lot of credit, like you take identity,
all those like accounts, cards and stuff.
Only and internship is 1 year, 6 months, it's 18 months, only to find out that you can't pay back that money. So I think as black people, we are not used to money. Like we are failing. We are failing to manage. We are failing to manage the money. I think with Likao situation, maybe it's his first break to get that lot of man. I don't know how to put it, but I think he mismanaged it. What I was it.
No, man, like my take is this. I think he wanted to grow so fast. Of course, if ever, guys, you have like a business idea and everything, if you can propose to there's a funding of small businesses.
Yes.
Yeah, if you do like wanna start something solid, you have registered, you have done this, you've done that, but you don't have like money, so they can loan you that money, so you can go and do what you promised them to do, but you have to pay back that money. As soon as you start making your profit and stuff, you have to return the money. So my take is this. I think Ligao wanted to grow his business so fast, so he took those loans, did like the billboards, which is very expensive, guys. Billboards are very expensive. The new billboards that you can afford nowadays, I think it's social media. There's a lot of platforms, there's a lot of like people who have like big numbers and stuff, who can give you like a reasonable prices to advertise on their platforms. Yes. So I think billboards, it's okay because people see it when you're busy traveling, going to your Sentin, your Four Ways, your Mall of Africas and stuff, right? Yes. But like now, because we are living in a digital world, I can say if somebody's have like a thing out there, you just have to speak to your content creators, people who have like bigger platforms, and advertise on it. I think my take is I think he wanted to grow so fast.
Yeah.
Like he wanted to grow like so quick, he wanted to put drips in our eyes so bad. I think that's the case. That's why now they have to take some of these assets, but still, guys, there's something that is missing. I even saw Malema saying why black billionaires like your Patrice Motsepe don't come to rescue Drip and stuff. But like, to me, I was like, look how his company is big liquidation and stuff, but on the is it 1st or 2nd of December, saying he's releasing another sneaker. Even so, they just posted it on his Facebook account. I was like, is it really happening? Like, is he having like this liquidation thingy, or he's just hiding from something, acting as if he's going through bankruptcy, or his company is falling, or something? Do you really think this thing is happening? And if so, and then I want you to even like try to explain, why is he releasing another sneaker?
That one I can't know if he's releasing another sneaker, but what I can say is that his company, he started with his wife. His wife was going from podcast to podcast that he's not supporting his child. His child is not paying the school fees. He's not paying the apartment. So I don't know what's happening with Likau. Then he's sacrificing. A lot of things are happening in Likau's life. I don't know what's happening, but he started things with his business, the Drip, with his wife. In the Bible, according to the Bible, when you take a husband and wife,
put them together,
join them. When they are joined together, they are one thing.
Yeah.
So now they are falling apart. I think the falling apart is causing their business to fall apart, because they started this thing or this business together. I think that's the start of falling.
So are you saying that like a man should first establish himself, into a certain level, and then take a wife, or the wife is not supposed to be involved on like what the man does?
No, it's up to individuals. It's up to individuals.
Because to me now it sounds like you are saying people shouldn't like break up if they have like a business or something like that.
I'm not saying they because they started together.
Yeah.
And now he's not supporting the child. His child. He's not supporting the wife. The wife is no longer working, but she was there for him. But now it seems like he forgot.
Is it?
Yeah. No. It's not that a man shows that. If men feel like that, it's okay.
No, yeah.
It's okay.
And then what you take on Malema saying that like the billionaires, the black billionaires should rescue Drake.
Did Likau reach out?
I don't know, but like
sometimes you have to reach out to these people.
And they can't know. I need help.
Hey, sometimes they are not watching the news, or they're busy.
Yeah, but like, come on, this thing
they're busy.
This thing is on social media. Come on.
If you can ask, people can help you. Some can help you, but some they need you to ask. So you must go to them to ask. Did he reach out now? Did he write any letter? Whatever procedure I have to go through. So.
Hey, we don't know about that. Yo, on a sad news, I saw Tito Mboweni passed away.
Yeah, I saw the news yesterday.
Rest in peace to the family.
Yeah, rest in peace. Not to the family. Condolences to the family.
Condolences to the family. And then last, I think it was the great Solomon Hulu as well.
Yeah.
Condolences to the family as well. And then I saw on a lighter note, I saw King Monada bought a Ford Rapture.
Yeah, so him sleeping outside, like yo.
No, but like he was just flashing. I don't think he was really sleeping outside because he was even wearing like a security uniform or something.
Yeah.
Is it a thing to flex now? Like yo,
Yeah, he's there.
somebody have to celebrate this win, man.
Yeah, I mean, celebrate. I
I
saw it on Facebook. It's
yeah, I
trending,
saw
like.
it on Facebook as well.
And then on that Solomo passing,
Mm-hmm.
I saw his tombstone. Like it's expensive, and his casket is expensive, but people failed to support him while he was sick.
He was in hospital.
Yeah, it was on machine. They needed 700,000, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, because
But if I'm mistaken, you can correct me in the comments.
because I saw what's this, the guy who writes your poems and stuff,
Or they have police.
Mzakembule saying, yeah, I saw Mzakembule saying that, and people were even commenting saying like the time he was busy eating all these monies, uh, um, he never, he never think of saving or having your life cover, whatever incidental, whatever, or when you're sick.
So those caskets and the tombstone is the donation from people,
I don't know.
because
I don't know.
that at the look of that tombstone
It's very expensive.
It's expensive. Even the casket.
That's crazy, man. And then moving forward on Nota's case. Sorry, did I catch you? On Nota's case, I saw okay, in fact, let me put it in this way. What your take on seeing Nota, who've been allegedly it's all over social media saying that he raped that lady, what's her name? Into Meling. So what your take on seeing him going from podcast to podcast, telling his side of the story, and this lady, she's not saying anything?
Because maybe she have nothing to say. You don't know. Maybe she, like, I saw her video. Like maybe she want to surprise us. I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know.
yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, because the video that she recorded, she said
that is circulating.
Yeah. She said it's more like she have something under her sleeves, so she don't want Nota, to know her next move, because you mentioned something like that. I don't want my opponents to know the next move and everything. Guys, like how Nota he is moving. I don't know if he is guilty or not, but it shows that like he knows his business. He's standing his ground. He's not afraid.
Because he handled himself.
Yeah, he went to Renbeck. Is it the Renbeck police station?
Yeah.
Yeah, we went there. Spent two days in there. He got like a bail for 5,000 and everything. For you worked at SAPS for doing your internship, I think 2014 or so. Like, okay, right now he's out with bail, right? I don't know if you know like how the system works on policing, but I wanna ask you this thing. So if now he's out on bail, right? Because they're waiting, I'm sure, for court cases. I mean, for court date and stuff, right?
For the trial.
Good. So right now he's out on bail, so he can, it's more like he's waiting for the date while he's outside, right?
Yes.
So it means he was supposed to be on a holding cell if there was no bail, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So I want to ask you something. So if the court find him not guilty, are they gonna give his 5,000 back, or it was, I don't know how does this bail thing works?
Yo, I don't know. I don't wanna lie. I don't know. I don't wanna lie.
Or automatically, like, the system just chow your money, or they say no, or they or the other one is the accuser and what,
And the accused.
and the accused, ne?
Mm.
So is the accuser gonna pay the accused that 5,000, or you don't know the penalty of it?
I don't know. I will lie if I say something.
Yeah, because guys, always people saying now, so and so and so is out on bail. So I wanna like really know how this bail things work. That like if the court finds you not guilty, do they pay you the money that they said there's a bail of a certain amount?
In the comment, if there's someone who knows the laws,
Please, guys, comment
us.
on the comment section. What's next? Another another, allegedly, we don't know, because I only saw the blogs, busy posting about it here and there.
Yeah,
so
we have not seen Nkosazana.
Yeah, so allegedly,
suing McG.
exactly. So allegedly, Nkosazana daughter, she's suing McG 13 million. What you take on that?
13 million, huh? Nkosazana, no. 13 million, Kahle.
Yeah.
What does when you sue someone, the amount is that from
200K to 500K.
So why does she sue?
Maybe she lost during that time when Mimic just said whatever he said.
She lost the gigs
for
but she made 13 million.
Who knows?
Allegedly.
Allegedly, we are not sure about that, guys. And then what's your take on Chris Brown coming to SA, selling out in 2 hours?
That's a superstar. He's a superstar, and he built his name for years. Like, and the young kids, they love R&B. Those rich ones and the poor ones, but the rich ones are the ones that are buying the tickets.
Yeah. I hear you.
Maybe some they were saving, but
hey guys,
Chris Brown is something else.
2 hours sold out FNB Stadium in 2 hours.
In 2 hours, people have money.
And Makazi is struggling on selling out Peter Mokaba Stadium.
Ain't that wrong? Maybe the timing was wrong.
Nah, man.
The timing was wrong. Now Chris Brown is coming, and then she will, the timing. I think it's the timing.
Guys, but timing. Like, to me
now, Makazi is our Beyonce, but she she can't compare.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I hear you, but like, have you even seen his pictures? There's a pictures that have been circulating. People shooting. They say it's meet and greet. People are even paying money just to go and meet Chris Brown and take pictures with him.
Yeah, this world is crazy.
Yet people are not even supporting our home girl Makazi.
Our local.
Yeah. Man, to me it's like I'm disappointed on SA. I know, like, for Chris Brown, because he's the biggest. We can't deny that. Right?
In the world.
In the world, I think most of the tickets are not from like SA. Some people maybe are coming from the other part of Africa.
Yeah.
It's not only people from South Africa and stuff, because they just wanna meet this person, or just to say that I was there.
Me too. If I had money,
we should be going to that event.
Yes.
You live in.
Unfortunately, I'll attend another event.
just lying. No, I hear you, but it's crazy, man. Guys, let's support local, guys. Let's support local, guys. And then, what's your take on ladies who are very, very, very bitter? In fact, like, okay, let me put it in this way. This day and age, once you're big, you can't cheat, ne?
You can, why?
Nah, man, because I don't know, man. It's like,
Big or not, it's the same.
nah, man. I think when you're big, you can't just sleep around like with anyone. Because I saw Kabza's picture being trending. There's this unknown lady. Allegedly, she slept with Kabza the Small and took a picture while he's sleeping and stuff, right? And says Kabza the Small likes like big booty chicks, but he can't even last 2 minutes.
Yeah, I saw that post.
So like my take is
Why cheat in the first place?
no, I'm saying well, we don't know why, but like I'm just saying that it means once you're big, you can't do anything out of line. Otherwise, like people like they're looking you like with like in a hawk eye, like make a mistake, we're coming for you.
Of course, you must lead by example. When you're at the top, you are an example to everyone that is down there, is down here. So we must be careful. You must tread careful.
Nah, but nowadays it's not like you are an example or you are a leader. It's more like if you're out there or you are like big like that, you are a target.
So save yourself from cheating.
It's like the hyenas are just there to end you. I'm telling you, it's crazy.
It is what it is.
Is there anything that like we are missing out or anything that you want us to cover it?
Nah, for this week it's
Okay, guys, please catch us next week, same time, same place. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe to, or if they have reached 1k subscribers, so let's take to 5k, guys. Please. See you on the next episode. Is it an episode or just video?
It's episode.
Okay, see you guys on the next episode.